terrific, terrific. You look terrific today. You look terrific today. Never, never, never. Don't be never. Relax. Don't be never. Relax. Busy. Business. 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 Do you do a lot of business in Vietnam? Do you do a lot of business in Vietnam? Remember. 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 Remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. Perfect. Perfect. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Sure. Sure. I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Clear. Clear. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. Care, care, care. We should own. We should own. We should own. Care about the environment. We should own. Care about the environment. Important. Important. It's important to practice English every day. It's important to practice English every day. Charming. Charming. You have a charming